All right, so finishing where we left off, we decided that 1 and 3 worked. We're just going to test 4 just to be sure. So y equals x plus 2, x plus 3. Graph it. That's a quadratic, so that's a definite no-no. Okay, so your answer is for 1 and 3. Okay, very last one. What is the slope of a line that goes through the points -6, -17, -4, -9? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Some of you see this and you automatically don't do anything or just guess. But this is a crazy easy problem. Never do that. And don't ever leave it blank either. Give me something. So stat, edit. Let's clear what we have. Okay, so remember the x's go in one spot and the y's go in another spot. If you have to line it up, do it. So we have -6, -17, -4, -9. Don't mix up what you're typing in. So -6, -4, and then -17, -9. So stat, over to calc, is this linear or quadratic? Linear, so we're doing 4. So we have y equals 4x plus 7. What's it asking for? Asking for the slope, which is right in front of the x, so it's a positive 4. See how easy that is? And most of you would have just skipped over it. Okay? So that's the rest of your review. Be sure to watch it over and over again. Study it super well because this is a test you can definitely get 100 on. There's no excuse for no 100 on this test. All right. Good luck.